Hey everybody, this is tech lifestyle expert Carley Knobloch. With the kiddos back in school, this is a very busy time of year for families, so I partnered up with some brands that can help out the parents. We all know how laundry can pile up this time of year, right? Well, LG is making laundry day a total breeze. Their smart front load washer with Turbo Wash 360 has built-in artificial intelligence, which means it can detect fabric types, load size, and even how dirty your clothes are and adjust your wash settings. It gets smarter the more that you use it. Their smart front load dryer with AI sensor dry can detect the fabric type and load size to dry your clothes perfectly every time. And their pedestal is an optional accessory that's actually a mini washing machine for quick loads. All very smart technology. To find out more about LG's smart front load washer with Turbo Wash 360 and their smart front load dryer with AI sensor dry, just head to lg.com. Who doesn't love a great app? Here's one that is so fun and helpful. It's the Create a Card iPad app from American Greetings. The app lets kids and adults send one-of-a-kind virtual greetings to anyone that needs a smile. They've got great templates that make it easy to get started, or you can start from scratch. And inside the app, you'll find virtual pencils, markers, photo frames, stickers, and more, so you can get as creative as you like and never make a mistake. And the best part is you can download the app for free. To find out more about American Greetings Create a Card app for iPad, just visit americangreetings.com. Now, I like a smart device that you can use every day. So if your garage door is the busiest entryway for your home like it is mine, you are going to love the idea of the MyQ Smart Garage Video Keypad. It's like a cross between a video doorbell and a garage keypad, letting you see and control who is coming and going. Because let's face it, the kids aren't always the best about checking in, but now you can know that they're home safe after school or activities. It's super easy to install, and you can use the MyQ app to create guest PIN codes for people like your dog walker or your housekeeper. To get more information about the MyQ Smart Garage Video Keypad, visit myq.com. Game night is really important in my home, and this idea will get the family together for so much fun. It's Sonic Origins Plus, a new multi-game collection from Sega. It features 4 classic titles, 12 Game Gear titles, and for the first time ever, you can play as Amy Rose in multiple games and as Knuckles in Sonic CD. Fans can also pick up the collectible premium physical edition featuring a 20-page book of art from the classic 90s era of that iconic little hedgehog. To find out where to buy or get more information about Sonic Origins Plus, head over to origins.sonicthehedgehog.com. I love this to help students. I mean, there were times when my kids needed homework help and it was so complicated, especially calculus. IXL is a learning website that helps kids from preschool to high school learn math, thank goodness, language arts, science, and social studies. It's got tons of interactive problems, videos, lessons, and games that can help them practice what they're learning in school, get help with tricky concepts, and gain the confidence to learn new topics on their own. I might even do a little calculus brush up myself. To find out more about the IXL learning website, visit IXL.com. And to find everything I covered today, including links, just visit inthenews.tv or find us on Instagram at inthenewstv.